To perform project risk analysis, we need to identify risks which can affect your project, define probability and outcome, analyze risk mitigation and response plans. This can be done by a group of experts. What is the best way to elicit judgment from the group? Let's assume that we are planning a construction project. This project can be affected by many risks. These risks may increase the duration of the project by increased costs, affect safety, damage the environment, and lead to other problems. To analyze these risks, we need to ask questions of the experts familiar with similar projects. What do we need to do before starting our group discussions? A clearly defined problem, which was developed during the decision framing phase of the decision analysis process. Either an identified list of risks or risk breakdown structure for the project. A project model, for example, a project schedule. A clearly defined set of questions you will ask the experts to elicit their judgment concerning probabilities. The first method is called consensus. It is a face-to-face meeting to discuss issues, eventually come to an agreement. Pros of this method: it is easy to organize and it is transparent. Cons: can be dominated by individuals with seniority or other sources of influence with a "we discussed" and "I decided" outcome. Another method is called Delphi. A facilitator provides questionnaire to a panel. Members provide assessments anonymously. Responses are collected and analyzed, and a common and conflicting viewpoints are identified. Pros of this method: it minimizes impact of social, peer, or undue influence. Cons: resolving differences in assessments can be difficult. The next method is called dialectic. After the initial assessment, members discuss factors that may be causing biases in their judgment. Members try to understand and resolve their differences by examining contradictions in each other's position. Pros of this method: it mitigates sources of individual biases. It also improves understanding in groups. Cons: it may increase in-group tensions. Resolution of differences may not occur. Finally, there is a decision conference. Experts meet for 1 to 3 days. The meeting is moderated by a decision or risk analyst. Analysis with a neutral facilitator creates a model incorporating judgment on the spot. Pros of this method: examination of models creates a shared understanding of problems. Cons: can be resource intensive, scheduling can be difficult. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel.